I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. You know what? I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away.
What's up, you beautiful faces, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamilah Arielle. You already know what's going on. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are old, welcome back. Now today we are going to be doing a natural everyday look, and of course you guys know I gotta start off with my moisturizer, and I'm going to use Cetaphil as always. And I have a ton of new products. This one is a Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream, and it's SPF 35, and I've only used it like maybe once or twice plus this video, and it's worked pretty well. And you don't have to do this is just my preference, but I put a little bit of NYX Angel Veil on my cheeks just cause I don't know, I love Angel Veil, and I just feel like with the BB cream alone it's just not primed enough. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it makes sense to me. Next I'm gonna fill in my brows, and for my brows I'm using ELF brow pomade, however you say it. Still can't pronounce it, don't care, but but I'm using an angled brush, and I usually don't record on camera when I do my brows, but I guess I can leave it in here. I'm gonna do a brow tutorial soon anyways, but y'all can watch from this one and learn a little bit, I guess so.
Yeah. That boogie, yeah. Turbo in, said I be working overtime for you, spinning in circles and losing my mind because of you. You the finest thing walking by. You make a nigga look so fly. Baby girl, I just need to tell you, you the baddest. Baddest thing to ever just walk by. Baby, you just the baddest. Baddest thing to ever just walk by. You the baddest. Baddest thing to ever just walk by. Baby, you just the baddest. Baddest thing to ever just walk by. That boogie, you make that boogie look so good. You got them breaking their names cause you looking sure, but they gotta know that you a mine. Leave them sad cause they know you fine. Walking past them now you made a line. Now they following from behind. Oh, how many times have we wasted? We had to start from the basics, and now we slowly getting closer. circles and losing my mind because of.
And for this eyeshadow look, I only use one palette, and I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And first, I'm gonna put the shade Butter in my crease area.
Baby, you just too baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. You the baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. Baby, you just the baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. That boogie, yo.
Next, I'm gonna blend it out with a slightly darker shade of brown, and that shade is called Pukey. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that the eyeshadow is gonna look blended and airbrushed. And in order to do that, I usually use a lighter shade of brown first, then I use the darker shade, and on like the part near my eyebrow, I blend it out with a more lighter shade.
I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. And when I hop inside the drip, you know that I drown in it. We'll have them people looking, then you know we made it big. Yeah, I'm not looking for no one perfect, just someone who is best for me. I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. And when I hop inside the drip, you know that.
And for this look, I only use 4 eyeshadow shades, and the last neutral shade that I'm gonna use is like a kind of reddish color, and it's called Roxanne. And basically this look is just a simple everyday look that you can do no matter what the event is. Even if you're going somewhere special, it's just simple and easy to do.
That's why all this time I've been looking for you. I know exactly what I want, and I know exactly what I need. S-Class, very classy, yeah. Someone I'd remember. You look so beautiful to me. I love it when you be next to me. Wherever you at, stop playing with me. S-Class, baby.
And for my shimmer shade, I'm going to use a e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use the shade Faint. The reason why I picked this color is because it's kind of a neutral shimmer eyeshadow. It's not too flashy and it's not too natural. It's just right. And usually when I do natural eyeshadows, whether it's on me or on someone else, I always use a shade that's similar to this one.
I'm not looking for no one perfect, just someone who is best for me. Someone who is best for me. Someone who is best for me.
Believe it or not, but I'm really not good at eyeliner, so I try to keep it as simple as possible. Maybe like just doing one line of eyeliner. Sometimes I attempt to do a wing, but it's not always perfect, and I always like take forever to do it. But for this, I'm just gonna do one line of NYX eyeliner, just so my lashes can be in line with my regular lashes and they won't look separated.
Baddest thing that ever just walked by. Baby, you just too baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. You the baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. Baby, you just too baddest. Baddest thing that ever just walked by. You make that boogie look so good. You got them breaking their names cause you looking sure. But they gotta know that you a mine. Leave them sad cause they know you fine. Walking past them now you made a line. Now they they following from behind. Oh, how many times have we wasted? We had to start from the basics and now we.
And for my face, first I'm going to take my black opal true color foundation stick in the shade Kalahari Sand and go under my eyes. Then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Coverage, not concealer, but foundation in the shade Sand.
Said I be working overtime for you, spinning in circles and losing my mind because of you. You the finest thing walking by. You make a nigga look so fly. Baby girl, I just need to tell you, you the baddest, baddest thing to ever just walk by. Baby, you just the baddest, baddest thing to ever just walk by. You the baddest, baddest thing to ever just walk by. Baby, you just the baddest, baddest thing to ever just walk by.
And next I'm going to take my Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Beige, and I'm going to put it under my eye, on my chin, and on my forehead, and I guess my nose too, because it fell on my nose, so guess we'll put it right there. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown my Bobbi Brown bronzer. That's a tongue twister.
I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. When I hop inside the drip, you know that I drown in it. We'll have them people looking, then you know we made it big. Yeah, I'm not looking for no one perfect, just someone who is best for me. I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. When I hop inside the drip, you know that I drown in it. We'll have them people looking, then you know we made it big. Yeah, I'm not looking for no one perfect, just someone who is best for me. Yeah, baby, you know what I've been going through. Yeah. That's why all this time I've been looking for you. I know exactly what I want, and I know exactly what I need. S-Class, very classy, yeah. Someone I'd remember. You look so beautiful to me. I love it when you be next to me. Wherever you at, stop playing with me. S-Class, baby. I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. When I hop inside the drip, you know that I drown in it. We'll have them people looking, then you know we made it big. Yeah, I'm not looking for no one perfect, just someone who is best for me. I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. When I hop inside the drip, you know that I drown in it. We'll have them people looking, then you know we made it big. Yeah.
And at first for this look, I put on lipstick, but I'm really not a lipstick kind of person, and so later on I just took it off and put on, of course you guys know, NYX Butter Gloss. I just don't like, it depends on what kind of lipstick it is, but for this look the lipstick just really didn't look that well with the whole look. I just didn't like it, so I took it off and put on some lip gloss. And this is the finished look. Very simple, very cute. And if you guys like this music, well, I know you guys like this music, check my description and check him out on SoundCloud at That Boogie and on Instagram at That Boogie. Again, the information is in my description. And thank you for watching.
That Boogie, I want a S-Class shorty with the best ride. When I hop inside the drip, you know that I